So here's the loop, and as the animal goes through.
I did.
Doing survival training today with Niagara Frontier Search and Rescue. We've got our shelter station right behind me, and we have food, water, shelter, fire, bushcraft, and stoves behind me.
That's a blast.
So sometimes it's tree and you can't, like this is open, so you go like this, there's the X. Crisscross, come underneath. Now, because I'm getting to the end, when I get to here, I'm going to come over the top like this. So these are called wraps, okay? And then what I'm going to do now is it's called frapping. And what this does is it binds all that together, it makes it tight. Their head, they pinch their nose, okay, they hold that area right where their nose was, reach underneath the bag, and then create an opening, okay, and then widen it. So basically they can put this over themselves, crouch down, keeps the heat in, and it's a poncho. It's an instant poncho. I mean, look at that. That is disgusting. Hang on.
It could be a dead mouse.
Yeah, that might be a dead mouse. So that you'll have more success, right? Yeah. There we go. That's some spark. All right.
So
there you go.
Remember how cold it was?
It's exactly the same. And then you just use the striker battery in contact the two places, and you're going to form a circuit, and the heat is actually more than the metal can withstand, so it starts burning. And there's a heat source for it.
You're basically built like a little mini jet engine here. You pile your debris, light it, you have airflow that comes through the bottom, is sucked up through there and creates this draft.
Virtually any environmental condition, and is a rocket in terms of generating heat and heating water quickly from a canister. So as soon as that, what you end up typically doing is waiting until those flames consume most of that liquid and start burning down a little bit. And then once that gets to a certain point, I will turn this on or allow fuel to flow. And now I have my rocket engine.
Wooden bowl here. See if we can get it up to temperature. So it was damn near boiling. So now we have a way to, in a homemade vessel with nothing more than hot rocks, we can make water that's clean enough to drink and warm enough to warm you up. So now you know that if you're in trouble with very little to work with, you can purify and filter up water. Technology. This is the same technology that they use for kidney dialysis. And if you open one of these things up, which is kind of interesting, it's just jam-packed with hollow fibers.
With the hopes that your animal's going to come through and get caught. The whiter of the sticks over there, one of them's pushed down into the ground, and then the shorter one that's tied to the twine. So the animal goes through, dislodges, and now your squirrel's
It's a game
hanging from that
trail.
tree right there.
a noose, and a twitch up. There's the trigger, and there's the rock.
Your turn to come over here. Okay. And what I would do is I would try to take your piece, put your knife, start your knife here, and start pounding down. Get it so it's flat down and the blade sticking out the end and the knife flat. It's a lot easier. Start it. There you go. Keep going. We need kindling.
Keep going.
Yes, sir.
Gotta get mad at it. Set it.
Water.
Tool for hunting.
A tool for hunting.
And you got a signal.
Oh, I have one.
You got a signal for help.
I have a.
So between the four of you, you might want to decide what each can contribute.
Scavenging. However, we have to make evidence.
Doing
Be
the green
straight
stickies, you're
force.
drying it out by heating it. Making it like hardwood.
Pulls out.
Right. We can just set it on
there.
Like right there. We could even set it right there.
Yeah.
That would be easier.
And then
Or we volunteer someone.
I think to hold it.
Somebody.
And the water got real deep and we lost our packs. And as they were going downstream, we grabbed something, everybody grabbed something out of a pack, out of our pack. So we had one item out of our pack. And then it was half an hour before dark, so we had to build fire, we had to build a shelter.